Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this beautiful wig from start to finish. I received this hair from Sunbay Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of 24 inches and a 20-inch closure. So yeah, let's get started. So I start off by sewing on the closure. I make sure it's stretched enough so that it looks tight and flat on my head once I'm done. So once I'm done sewing on the closure, I start with the bundles. My foam head is a bit small, so I make sure to stretch out my cap and secure it with some T-pins. To make the process a bit easier, I place the hair from one side of the closure to the other side and secure it with some T-pins. Because I wanted to make this wig as quick as possible, I used my black hair glue to make the wig. I placed a little bit of the glue on the wig cap, placed the hair, and then dry it with my hair dryer. This is pretty much all I did for the rest of the hair. Once I get to the top, I cut the hair in smaller pieces and glue them separately to prevent the hair from looking all bulky. I want the top to look as flat as possible. So again, I measure the hair at first, see how small of a piece I need, and then I cut it and glue it on the cap. So once I'm completely done and have some hair left over, I go back to look for empty spots and add hair to make the wig look fuller. So this is how the wig looks once you're completely done. Honestly, I'm in love with the curly hair. Like, it's so beautiful, so soft, and the curls are just popping. So once your wig is done, all you do is cut the cap underneath the lace and the lace at the front, and that's it. You're ready to flaunt your wig, girl? Let me know what you think of this hair, and like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.